Welcome to our comparison video, where we will take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines: the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub and the Elevon Portable Washing Machine. Both machines are designed for convenience and efficiency in small living spaces, but they have distinct features that set them apart. Let's dive into the details and see which one might be the best fit for you. When it comes to capacity, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub offers a total capacity of 20 pounds, which includes 12 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning. In contrast, the Elevon Portable Washing Machine boasts a higher total capacity of 28 pounds, with 18 pounds dedicated to washing and 10 pounds for spinning. This difference in capacity can be crucial for users who frequently wash larger loads, making the Elevon a more suitable option for those needs. In terms of pricing, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub is priced at $159.99, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the Elevon Portable Washing Machine, which is priced at $177.77. While the Giantex offers a lower price point, it's essential to consider the features and capacity differences when evaluating overall value for money. Both machines come equipped with a twin tub design, allowing for simultaneous washing and spinning. However, the Elevon Portable Washing Machine includes additional features such as a drain pump and a clear window for monitoring the washing process, which the Giantex lacks. These enhancements can significantly improve user experience, especially for those who value convenience and functionality. In conclusion, both the Giantex and Elevon portable washing machines offer unique advantages depending on your laundry needs. The Giantex is a more affordable option with decent capacity, while the Elevon provides enhanced features and a larger capacity for a slightly higher price. Consider your specific requirements and space constraints when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.